Hello guys, welcome to Codingology. This is the second part of Python tutorial series, and in this video we are going to just continue from where we left in the previous video. In the previous video we were talking about lists and we almost completed the topic, but yesterday I discovered that was out of my mind yesterday when I was making the video, but I just remembered it after the video was uploaded on YouTube. So the function that I was talking about is index function. And here I added a new element, let's say n or anything. You can just say, in my case it's n. I'm adding an element in a list. So now this would be fourth index number. So now if I want to just get the index number of n in my list, I can say that list shopping dot index parentheses and enclosed in quotation marks and n. Now this would give us 4, and let's say I want to get of potato. This gives us 1, and as discussed here, 1. But if you just give it a letter, and let's say po, this would throw an error because there is no elements in our list shopping that is po. So yeah, so you have to write the whole name of elements. This is how it works. So this is a new function, and if I find anything new, I'm going to just update my repo, GitHub repo, and I have posted the code of my GitHub repo. So this is the link of my GitHub repo. You can go here, and this is the repositories of Python tutorial. I will change the name. It should not be 001. So Python 001.ipynb. I think, yeah, so this is our notebook till the last video. I'm going to update this. Yeah, so this is, and you can just access it or download it. You can see it, and in the upcoming videos we are going to just make new projects and post, and I'm just post more videos and we'll get consistent eventually. So now let's get on topic. Now after just completing lists, we can move on to a new topic, which is strings, working with strings. So until now I mentioned anything that is enclosed in like this, I mentioned a sentence, but according to Python, anything that is enclosed within quotation marks is a string. So like this is a string, and hello world, this is also a string, and this everything is string. Tomato, potato, noodles, green onions, everything is string. So yeah, this is string. And simple definitions, strings are sentences. So let's make a string. String is a variable, and in which I have stored a string, which is my name is Sam. I think the name would be just a bit confusing because string and then I'm saying string again, so I'm just going to give it a sentence. So let's say we want to just count the number of characters in our string, like my with space. Remember this, with space. So we can use the len function that is provided by Python. So we can just say len string, and this will give us 17. Okay, this should not give 17. Okay, I have let me just update it. I use the replace function here, so that just instead of taking Sam, it takes Jerry. So if I say len string now, it gives us 17, right? Let me just do this. Sorry for the inconvenience. Now if I take sentence as this and string, oh my brain is so it's 15 now, and here it is taking string because I have not made. All right, no problem. Now len sentence, it is 15. So let's say so this is how len works, and now getting to another function, getting towards another function, which is the same function that we used in list, index function. You can also use it in strings. So let's say you want to get the index number of character y, so you can just put in y, and that will give you the character. And you can also put a space here, and it will give you the characters. So 0, 1, 2, which is a space. And now let's say you want to just a sam, let's say first s, the index number of s, string, okay, sentence, this should also be sentence, I'm a fool. So it gives us 11, and if I say here sam, it also gives 11, because sam is starting from s and the index number of s is 11, so it will just throw out the same index number. It doesn't matter if you write the whole word or the starting letter of that word. So this is how string index index in strings works, index function in string works. So now let's say you want to replace sam with just another name. So you can just write sentence dot replace, and first you want to enter the word or letter that you want to replace. In my case it's sam. Make sure it is in the same format. In my case it is uppercase, and then comma, and then here you want to type in the replacement. In my case it is Jerry. So what this will do is this will replace Sam with Jerry. Let me just update the function here. Sentence is equals, so this stores a new information in sentence, in data in sentence. So if I say print sentence, this would give us my name is Jerry. Yeah, so this is how the replace function works. So this is a string. So now let's say we want to add something in our sentence variable. So what we can do is print, so I'm just directly printing it, sentence plus the string that we want to end. So let's say my name is sentence, my name is Jerry, this was a sentence, and I am 13. So now if I run this, this would give my name is Jerry, I am 13. So this is how you can add elements, or you can also use an formatted string or f string, known as f string. So you can just say print f quotation marks, and now here in curly brackets, curly parentheses, you want to just now type in the variable, which is sentence, and now without adding any plus or something, you can just write I am 13. I'll run this and see, it just gives the same. So like what this means, so this just puts in the value of sentence, which is my name is Sam, and now we're adding 13, I'm 13 string in the sentence. So this is how we can add. And now let's say you want to convert this in uppercase, so we can say sentence dot upper, now if I run this, you see you will get the sentence in uppercase. And now let's see, we want to verify that it is in upper or not, so we can say dot is underscore upper. So it will give first it will convert our sentence in uppercase, and then it would give us the value, it will just throw out a boolean, true or false. Str object has no attribute is upper, so there should not be any underscore here. And now this function works, so is lower and is upper both works. So now sentence dot lower, you know how it works, it will just convert the sentence into lowercase, and dot upper converts it into uppercase. So it's pretty simple about strings. So this is all about strings, and my network is gone because there is a power cut here, so I guess I have to end the video now. So I'll just continue in the next part, and I'm going to update my GitHub repo. So I will see you guys in the next one. So thank you for watching, and I hope you learned something.